myself. I haven't tried it yet, so I decided to try it on video. The things you'll need is Wiki Stix. And so I'm gonna try 2 different ones. I'm gonna try like small green ones, and I'm gonna try a long orange one. So yes, so you're gonna need Wiki Stix, a bottle, a Gatorade bottle, and some boiling water. Well, not super hot, but like you don't want it like cold, room temperature. You want it hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some water. So yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna turn the hot water on. It's just hot. Okay. So we're gonna get our bottle. And we're just gonna wait for it to warm up. So yeah. This bathroom, it doesn't really take a long time to warm up. So just gonna wait for it to warm up. I'll see you guys when it's pretty much warm. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's super hot now. I'm gonna put the water in. And see. So we're gonna fill it up to like this line, right? Oh, stuff. Okay. So we added too much. So we're just gonna pour it out. That much. We want it. If you guys are using a Gatorade bottle, we want it like right at my finger. Oh, there it is. So yeah, turn off the water, and then I'm gonna go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, so we have our water. As you can see, it just cleared up a bunch. It used to be white. Anyways, so we're gonna first try our green Wiki Stix. And what you're gonna need to do is you're just gonna. Oh yeah, you need scissors. Oh god, these scissors are hard to cut with. So it gives you scissors here, and I just cut little bit. Oh, I need to find some different scissors after I cut this one. Oh boy. Guys, I'm gonna go get some different scissors. I'll be right back. Bye. Okay guys, so I got some these scissors. So I'm just gonna keep cutting them up. It's not that hard. So as I said, we're gonna do 2 different kinds. We're gonna do it like in little pieces, and then for the orange ones, we're gonna do like these pieces. This big, not this whole thing. But yeah. And we're going to use a different bottle for the orange ones. Just haven't got to that yet, so it can go by faster, because you do have to wait a little bit. So yeah. Anyways, so basically the water isn't gonna be like any part of the slime, but it is gonna make it clump all together. So you could always just get like a microwavable cup, or mug or something. Put it in the microwave and make it warm, but okay, anyways. So I just finished cutting them all up. So we're gonna just put them in here. Oh, you're also gonna need a strainer. But we're just gonna put him in here, like this. And where's the pen? Okay. And I haven't tried this out yet, so I'm just gonna see if it works. I'm gonna shake it together, and then I'll be right back. So guys, I have the key ingredient right here. Okay, anyways, so yes, I shake this all up again. Just keep shaking, and then you're gonna let it sit for like 15 minutes. Okay, and then we're gonna put a 15-minute timer. Okay, started. Now we're gonna go. We're gonna go get a different bottle. Okay, then the bottle right here. Just gonna wash it out really good. Okay, now we're gonna put some hot water on. Okay, guys, so we're gonna turn the water on. And for this one, I can't find a lid, so I think I'm just gonna wait till this one be done. So I use that. So let's just take that off. Yeah. So just gonna wait till it gets hot. Oh, it's hot really fast. Okay, put that in. Alright, they go hot really fast. Okay, so now pull it out. So guys, if you have like foggy, that's gonna clear up really quick. So you can turn the water off. I'm gonna cut the Wiki Stix. So guys, as you can see, it's already cleared up on the bottom. It's gonna clear up. Top your dip. So I'm gonna cut the Wiki Stix. For this Wiki Stick, we're gonna cut it in like bigger chunks, like that big. So like that big, that big, that big, and then cut this. And that's it. It's already all the way cleared up, pretty cool, right? Okay. Then we have 12 minutes. So we are going to put these in here. Okay, so here's another ingredient. We're gonna go find another little beer. We found another Gatorade lid. So, screw it on really tight. Screw this one on really tight. Shake this one 2 times and then shake them together. And then, as you can see, there's soap in there. So, I'm gonna shake this one up. Then shake this all together. So, that's what this should look like. I'm going to take the wrap off this one. This goes a little quick. Okay. Well, okay, here we go. This was off a tray. So this one right here, it's really cool. This one is the orange one. This is gonna go, the orange one is gonna go off the timer. So I will see you guys when the timer is done. We have 7.5 minutes left, guys. Make sure to subscribe, turn the notification bell, and smash that like button for another no glue slime. So guys, you should look like this, clear, and then if you're doing it, your Wiki Stix should be right there. And then when it's about like 5 minutes left, you want to open the cap. It's about 5 minutes left. You want to open up the cap, and you're going to let it, you're going to take, this is not what the toilet paper is for, but you're going to take a little square toilet paper, and you're just going to place it on there, like the lid, and then put the lid back on, so it's in. That one wasn't that good, but I'm gonna put it on. Oh, sorry guys, on the bathroom, which is right next to the kitchen, but that's okay. Here we go. You guys go a little bit. Okay guys, so I just finished. The timer just finished. Now I'm gonna strain them. I don't have a good strainer, so I'm just gonna use this thing. So yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the lid off, and you should have it a little wet, but that's okay. Then you're going to, I'm sorry you guys don't have the aiming. Change. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in. Let's hope it works. Oh yeah, the soap should be, that's okay. It's fine if the soap's there. Oh boy. Just that. And if the soap doesn't strain, that's okay. So, then, oh no, I've got a towel. Okay, so you don't need this toilet paper unless you want to reuse it. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a crumble. If there's some soap in there, that's just fine. Then you're going to take it. Oopsies, right, I missed a step. Then you want to take any temperature water. Just add a little water to rinse the soap all out. Okay, soap's all out. Then you want to take your Wiki Stix. Guys, if this doesn't work, sorry, I've never tried this before. So I'm gonna see if it works. It's gonna work, guys. Just tell me it's gonna work. The water isn't that hot anymore, but okay. And then you're gonna take your toilet paper. Let me get a fresh thing of toilet paper. And guys, make sure you haven't used this toilet paper. We can like use it like if there's no Putty on it. Okay. So then you're gonna crumple it together, and then you're gonna unveil the toilet and the Wiki Stix. Guys, I did see like somebody do a no glue Wiki Stix one. This isn't exactly how they did it, but I'm going off that one, but I made this one up, but I did see people do the no Wiki Stix one. So yeah, okay, and then you're gonna take it, if there's still soap in your bottle, put it a little bit on here. If there's not still soap, you need to add some more soap. And then take some hot water. I know you already have hot water, but take some more. Oh no, I just drained some. Okay, that's okay. Since you won't drain, turn the water off. And then smush them all together. It's kind of gonna be like a silly putty kind of thing. This looks really fun to play with, just like to fit it with it. So here you go, guys. Silly putty. Just make sure they're all pressed in, and here you have it, like a silly putty. I should change this to a homemade. Title is gonna be homemade silly putty, but I say in the first part like It's homemade slime, no glue slime, but it can be homemade silly putty. This doesn't really stretch the butt. Okay, next one, which is the orange. You did the green first. Oh, and if you have wet toilet paper, just dab it on it, and it like comes real wet. Okay, so that one was not a fail, but not really good success. But it definitely is silly putty, but it's... Here we go. That was the first one. I mean the second one. It's a little messy, so got a little wet. Make sure you do me over sink or any grass or something, because you don't want to get water all over. Because then I would be trouble. Okay, then we're gonna take them out. Okay. Then next step. Whoopsies. Okay. Next step. Take if you have any leftover soap in. A little. The other bottle doesn't have any water in it. Just a soap. Okay, here we go. Next is hot water. There. Guys, do you like my braids? Not finished with the hell like yet, but we're gonna get there. I have some blue and pink. Two favorite colors, blue and pink, turquoise. The orange one works out better. So if you haven't done it yet, I suggest cutting it into bigger pieces. I'm definitely gonna do a part 2 and make some adjustments. So this one isn't good yet. This one still has a lot of chunks. But we're gonna try to add and just so. See what happens. I didn't do this. The green one. This wasn't planned, but you know, it seems like it's gonna work. What if we had like? Not a bad idea. Because I'm at Noble Sun. So, guys. There is, comment down below what video you want me to do next, because I could do like a no activators one. Because I have 2 recipes that have no activator. Make sure to go check out my 2 other channels. Well, kind of for today. So we have Slime Masters with me and my cousin, brother, cousin. Whatever. Brother/cousin. Brother. He's my brother. Okay. Anyways, and then one with Sophia and Timmy Forever, with my friend Sophia, and then Sophia and Timmy Forever vlogs. Blah blah blah. And add some more hot water. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button to be part of my star.